Hey friends, I've got 3 reasons for you wanting to stay tuned to this video today. Number 1, if you're wanting access to incredible artwork from some of the world's best artists but want it 48 hours before the public get their hands on it, this is the video you want to watch. If you're looking for a project whose community is driving the floor price up like lava, this is the video you're going to watch. And if you're wanting exclusive membership benefits as part of an NFT purchase, then this is the video that you're going to watch. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're kicking off today with something a little bit different. We're actually sending you the opportunity to get a token which will allow you to buy art earlier than the public will be able to do that. And that is with Soda Factory. So this is an exciting prospect, isn't it, Warren?
We're super excited to kind of share this information with you guys. So imagine, Bex, imagine a membership pass that you purchase as your Soda Pass. Go to OpenSea, purchase Soda Pass there, and it gives you exclusive access to artists that are working with Soda Factory, and you can purchase their NFT art through that membership.
Yeah, so they're bringing, or their ethos is that they are bringing the best artists to the blockchain. So if you're kind of dabbling in NFT art and thinking, I want to make strong strategic investments, you need to be finding that on the right platform. And then the added bonus is that 48 hours before the public get access to this art, you get to mint one piece. It's very specific. It's one piece of art that you can mint. So that means, you know, again, for the community point of view, there's something for everyone there. But then beyond that, there are loads of great discounts as well, which they're also going to be offering for their members. Okay, let's get down to the rub of this. Let's talk a little bit about the team behind it.
The team, so it's 2 brothers. It's David and it's Dennis O'Sullivan. David himself is creative director. He's got decades of experience working across creative departments. Effectively, they had a goal though, Bex. They wanted to kind of create a diverse platform where artists could go. They could show their work. They had that opportunity to really drive and amplify the message of where their pieces are. But instead of being in competition in such a saturated market of artists, they wanted to bring the artists closer to the NFT community and create this very incredible platform to be able to do that.
Amazing. And actually, I love the look of this platform. It feels very high end. It feels very like there's a lot of thought and love that's gone into this look and feel. I love the Soda Pass is like a soda pop can as well, which is really fun. And they've really thought about the mechanics of all of this. Okay, so we've seen kind of what's going on, the general overview of this and kind of getting to grips with the team behind it. But actually what everyone wants to know is what is it that Soda Factory is going to bring to us that we won't see anywhere else? And I think that is the amazing artists that it's going to bring as part of the Soda Factory Pass.
So Mr. Everybody, incredible artist. He actually started delivering his pieces in November, so this month. Mr. Everybody, he's known for his pieces around Bloom Girl. He's worked with a certain Wonder Woman in the celebrity world.
Gal Gadot.
Gal Gadot, I always have trouble trying to pronounce, as well as Joe Jonas and some other celebrities. He's well established in that very well known community, and actually for him, he's got roots, you know, back to kind of street art way back when. But he's really bringing his conventional art into that NFT space and providing something special to the holders.
Yeah, okay. And so we've got Mr. Everybody there. Have we got anyone else that's kind of of prominence that's coming up in the near future?
Yeah, we absolutely do. Alejandro Saeda, and they're going to be the December drop. So that's going to be coming next month, Bex.
Okay, so that's exciting. So something to establish you in, and then something to be really excited about for the coming month as well. So this is a great opportunity to get in early. So let's just recap on this. So basically, you buy the Soda Pass. That's the NFT that you buy. That gives you access to get in 48 hours before they mint any of these famous artists' artwork. And you, as a Soda Pass holder, can mint one piece from that artist 48 hours before anyone else can do that, right? So before it goes out to the public sale. So what that allows you to do on top of that is get exclusive discounts, and, you know, it really makes you feel like you're part of a members club, doesn't it?
Outside of the activity that Alejandro is going to be taking part next month, Mr. Everybody is going to be looking at doing a free drop and if you own a minimum of 5 pieces, you can expect a nice surprise in the post box around December time. We're not going to share too much information about that, but Soda Pass is a fantastic NFT access token, giving you exclusive access to this incredible art. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. We're looking at artists every month. So Soda Factory and the team there they really want to change how we consume art and how we can get access to the artists now, and they can get access to us.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's just recap on why this is important for you guys. So we've had the one-of-one arts, which you may have been priced out of almost immediately when that's hit the NFT space. And you may not be able to get access to those big artists just on a general public mint. But then you've also got the PFP NFTs, okay? So these are the things with utilities behind them. And then the next step is these access tokens. And that's exactly what Soda Pass is. So this is giving you access to that NFT art that you may not have been able to get access to before. So if you're wanting to be ahead of the game, this is your opportunity. So Soda Pass, get it. It's part of Soda Factory, a platform that is bringing brilliant artists, the biggest, bestest artists to the blockchain, and they are combining the world of art, coding, and design. And that is all being brought to you from the Soda Factory. Okay, next up, we are so excited about this because basically Warren and I have already bought into this. This is how bullish we are on this particular NFT project. They are called the Cryptomories. We are now officially part of the Famories, part of the family. The community is insane. But if you like the look of cool cats, if you like the look of like these cute NFT characters that have a lot of weight behind them because the community is so strong, this is emulating that. And that's exactly why we're bringing it to you as our big secondary market follow, because the activity over the last few days has just shot up, hasn't it, Warren?
That's one of the key things that we look at. Bex, we're always looking at the heartbeat of the community, right? How popular a community is going to be, how active they are. The only time I can hang my hat on a community being this active was when a certain apes community was first getting off the ground.
Yeah, and actually, if you look at the activity of this, there's that really lovely curve that's going up right now in the last 7 days, which is obviously pointing that the floor price is going to be like lava. But also, if you look at the amount of purchases that are being made, it's every 5-10 minutes, every minute, in fact, and this has just picked up and ramped up speed. So these are pumping right now. When Warren and I bought into this, it was 0.1 or 0.12. We're now sitting at a floor price of 0.4. And that's where it's at the moment. So that's in a matter of a few days. Imagine what it could do in the next week or so. So this is a big one for you to get into very early. Let's have a look at the team behind this. I1 is the artist behind this. So I think we should just talk a little bit about him.
Yeah, so within the artist himself and that kind of journey, I1, first of all, they, let's say the pronoun they, because we're not too sure about I1 just yet.
Fair enough, yeah.
Ape holder, cat holder, right? So I1 understands what it is to get in at the floor up, and actually he understands the importance of community, and I think it translates through to the work that we're looking at now with Cryptomories. A lot of the kind of the website and the roadmap and the discussion is quite bullish in respect of, we're not here to be, here's a roadmap, here's how things are going to look on every day and every month. We're here because we're Cryptomories, and I don't know if you're aware, Bex, but Cryptomore itself, it stands for, well, memento mori is Latin, and it simply means remember you die. Remember that one day you're going to die. And you know what, if we're dying happy with opportunities like this, where every skull represents something different, creative and fun, it really excites me, and it ignites the passion in the NFT market for me.
Look, we're putting our money where our mouth is with this one. It's kind of about the community driving this project forward. Its sentiment, as Warren has said, is about the fact that, it's appealing to us in the sense of dying happy. Like, life is short. Let's just get on with it. And the look and feel, my gut instinct. So when Warren told me about this, I was like, I'm going to do a little bit more research. It's what we always encourage you guys to do, is go and do your own research. I wasn't 100% sure, but my gut, I couldn't stop thinking about the Cryptomories. And sometimes you just have to trust your gut. And that's exactly what I did. And I bought in at 0.12, and already the floor is 0.4. So, you know, guys, sometimes we can't give you that in-depth analysis of like these statistics show you this, or their roadmap is telling you this. Sometimes you're going to get from us just a gut feel of why that's being leveraged by the community itself. And community is key in the NFT space. So we just want to be really honest about this. This is something that we've just got a really good gut feeling about it. The art is sick. We've got an amazing community and an artist who knows what they're doing because they're already bought into massive projects that are moving forward. So look, I'm happy with that. I think that's all you guys need to know at this stage. Go and have a look, go and check out the activity on OpenSea, go and see and make up your own decisions as to whether or not this is the right project for you. If you can get in early enough and this is pumping right now, good luck to you. I think it's a really, really good one. And this has not been pumped by any influencers, okay? This is something that has just built up an organic community on its own, and we're really excited about it. And we think you guys should be too. Okay, and our final pick of the day is the Metapreneurs.
So Metapreneurs, there is a very interesting membership style, which is exclusively for this elite member of NFT Metapreneurs. I'm sure they're flying their meta planes across the metaverse and in their meta boats. And ultimately, it's about creating a real level of sort of fun and elitism and sort of playing on that bet.
Fantastic. Okay, so we're buying into a membership club. It's always the thing that I really enjoy about certain utility NFTs. You want to feel like you're part of something special. What are we looking at in terms of mint price?
So mint price for Metapreneurs, they are being secretive. They've not yet shared that information. What we do know is that the mint is going to drop in December. We also know that there's already there's a whitelist availability on the Discord, and that whitelist is for up to 1,000 slots. And listen, if it gives people a lot of interest right now, there's only 2,600 people on that Discord, which means that I think you've still got a chance to be in there early, know when the mint's dropping, and jump on an opportunity for this project.
And what about the community behind this? Is this a big thing that we need to keep an eye on?
I think so. As I say, their artwork is really, really cool. Obviously, it's a membership utility, and the focus is more on the what's possible. There are 11,101, so all the ones for the generative pieces of access token that you can purchase across the NFT. And actually, what really stands out for me on their community is that they're looking at holding a get-together bet for their community. Unlike the apes, it's not going to be NYC. Metapreneurs are looking at holding a get-together in Bali.
Oh, wow. Okay. A little bit further afield.
I mean, Indonesia, no bad place to travel, yeah. Depending on what time of year. But the whole idea of that is they want to create their kind of Metapreneurs mastermind exclusive experience in Bali, where they're bringing together all of these preneurs to share information, share points of view. And actually, it's more about, I think, having a kind of public DAO, right? Like that empowerment, that discussion, that community, taking discussions one-on-one, where COVID's been a bit of a challenge for people breaking out those networks. I think Metapreneurs are looking at doing something really quite innovative and bringing people together in a very nice country to start.
Amazing. So look, I think this is kind of, I wouldn't say it's an early bird, but it's early enough for you guys to spend some time and do some solid research about this. We've got a good hunch on this. I think the whitelist opportunity is great, and that allows you to evade the gas fees, which is really, really important. The activity is looking quite promising. There's some interesting conversations going on in and around the community. This is our one to watch for you guys. This is the one that you want to just keep an eye on, see how it grows. And, that's exactly what Warren and I are going to do, which is why we're giving you the heads up. So there we go. That's the Metapreneurs. Anything that's kind of entrepreneurial, I really love. And I think, it's well worth doing a little bit more digging on that. Now, just before we finish up, we want to give you guys a little bit of a heads up, because minting as of this week are the brilliant Bravas. We featured the Bravas in one of our videos a few weeks ago. We just wanted to give you guys a heads up and hark back to that. You can watch that video here, and you can check out any more information you need about them, but we want to wish them all the luck for their mint this week, and we think they're going to do fantastically. So we hope you guys get in on that if you can. Well, there you have it. 3 incredible projects for you. Very different in each and every one of them, but most importantly, something that you are going to be able to take away. Do your own research, because remember, this isn't financial advice. This is only our analysis and our gut feelings as to what could be working in this space. We're bullish on all of these projects, and we think you guys should be too. If you have any questions about them, then please join us on Movers and Shakers Monday on Twitter Spaces. Every Monday, we bring all of the top creators and many more for you to find out about their projects and learn in depth what they're all about. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.